Hey, guess what day it is? It's Wednesday. And guess what we're going to do? We're going to wow you here at Madison 4-H. Today we are going to make a hovercraft. Yes, with a simple old CD that you don't use anymore. Don't get one that your mama's still using or your daddy's still using. But what we need to do this is real simple. It's an old CD. A cap this came off of a water bottle that you could open and close. Pretty simple. A balloon and your handy dandy glue gun. All right, so what we're gonna do basically is we're gonna take this cap, glue it on here, take the balloon, attach it here, and we'll go from there. So let's get my glasses on so I can see what I'm doing. And let's go to gluing our lid on. We want to make it airtight around the hole. Kind of center it up. Okay. Put a little more on there. I like glue guns. Put a little more. Okay, not too terribly much. All right, so we'll turn that off. We'll let this dry. Okay. Then we will take, that's pretty dry, take our balloon, stretch it out a little bit. Okay. And attach it airtightly to your lid. So there you go. There is your hovercraft. All right. How's it work, Miss Beth? Well, what you do is you want to make sure your glue is dry, and that's not quite dry, but you're going to open up the bottle cap, carefully pull it apart. All right. You're going to blow up the balloon. And when you get it blown up, you're going to close the lid, okay? So the air can't escape, all right? Now we're going to put it on a smooth, flat surface. I don't know if this table will work. I don't know if it's flat enough, but let's try it out. So what you're going to do is you're going to gently pull your lid open. And there it goes. It's hovering over the table. Well, it's not quite as dramatic as I had hoped. Let's try it on the floor. All right, our hovercraft power is up. Let's see what happens. There it goes. Well, it wasn't the most dramatic Wow Wednesday, but you can do this and you can make your own. And what's really cool is that you can test them on different surfaces. Like this table, it's pretty smooth, but it's got kind of a rough edge to it. Then the floor has some little cracks in it. So you could try it on different surfaces to experiment. Let's try it one more time. The hardest part is blowing it up. Okay? Close it up. And here we go. Let's give it a shot. Open her up. Well, what's causing this to hover like that, okay? The air is coming out of the hole from the balloon, all right? And when it does, it's pushing on the table and it's keeping this CD up off the table. And that's how it hovers. That's actually what a hoverboard is. It hovers or just kind of just slides across the ground, okay? But that air that's coming out of here is forcing this up. Now, it's not a lot of air. If there was a lot of air, it would force it way up. But it's not. It's not a lot of air, just a little bit. And that's what causes that hovering motion that you see. All right, so make your own hoverboard. Pretty cool. Hope it wowed you a little bit today. Happy Wow Wednesday, and we'll see you next time.